Yeah. Philippine shop. Yeah, yeah. But it's far from you because you're staying here. Can.
Kami only Sunday only I go, no? She not going the middle, no? Hurry, 15 minutes. Chippy by tomato, hurry.
Oh.
Okay, my son going
Ah.
Sunday.
Oh.
I cannot go to market.
Oh.
Then I go with him, no? I go, then you put in the ice.
Fish.
Yeah, nice home set. That 200,
Mm.
I cannot buy fish
So how you cook if they don't want them to smell? Oh. Okay. Mm. Say faster. Our friend. Let's go.
Okay, it's raining.
We at the back of this one, the argyle. The argyle. I show you. You know the back of this building? The back of this building have the road. That is the argyle, the red building.
Guys,
You see the red one? That one? That is a black 3. We are in the black 1. Next to that one, the same, all the same building. Sir, ang layo. Sir, still far. Never mind, I'll wait for her there. Yeah, because the shop will close. Because the wait. Yeah, yeah. Yes. Ali, come. Still can close. Come. Ambo. Never mind, she's coming. She saw us. Here, sister. Here's the Philippine shop.
This one?
This one, this one. This one, this one. Here. Here. You go in and buy.
Tell him to recharge and give me. I don't know. Then
You will just come. You come here. Ate, may CSL 50 po. Oh. Long queue, long queue. Ay, mo. Madami ka sa ate, nakakaharang. Okay, kayo muna, kayo muna. Mr. Rafi. Okay, you get in first. Ang daming kong sa, pag mo budget.
hindi pa. Isang buwan yun.
Ako isang buwan ay.
Isang araw na ako. Isang beses ako mag-office.
Oy. Sir Abby, you. Here, here. Okay, here.
Walang resibo ate?
$50. I will top up for you. So, you buy the card first. Auntie, CSL 50 po. Oy, na-drop na ano yan? Resibo mo? CSL 50. Opo. Here, Sister Abby. You come, I top up you outside. Thank you. Come, I help you, I help you. Yes, yes. Come here first. This one. Huh? No, no, no. They will scold us here. Because that is door. You know, we cannot just... Have. Tulungan mo nga dito pag hanap ko ng pwesto.
Sabi Marlon,
Ano sabi?
ginawa siya ko ng pera, bilhan na lang daw siya ng ano. Samahan mo ako doon.
Kailan?
Ngayon, dyan sa DS, tapos natin ko sa bahay nila.
Ngayon na?
DS na. We go to Berian.
Is it today?
We top up first.
Ha? Ayun na first.
You open this one. Scratch.
Yes, right, open.
Open.
So that you know, and give me the coins so that you can go inside. And you know how to do it, okay? Next time you will know, okay? This
They
one
will teach you.
open. And then, this one the number. Do you know?
This one.
Oh, okay na.
Ito yun, di ba?
Oo.
Ayan.
No need to
And
scratch.
then, you need to, paano ba dial?
Dial star. Kakamkam.
Star 109?
Go to your
Star
contact.
109?
Oh. Star 109 star.
Star? Because
Pakita mo.
there is an instruction, you know?
Dial. Yes.
109, 109, star margarine. And then this one.